everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Cap with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I want to show you this. I didn't get it right away. It's in the August to December mini catalog on page 63. It's the red velvet paper pack. You get two 12 by 12 pieces of red velvet. This is what it looks like, and I mean it is red. It's beautiful, and it's so nice and soft. It's just one side is the velvet, but I want to show you something that you can do with it that has me just putting in another order for this. I have, now I really wish they'd come in green because I would use the Evergreen Forest for this, but I am using the Snowflake one. I hope you can see this. It is up close and personal. It is a lot better. Let me see if I can get this focused for you. This is the Snowflake. Look at that. I embossed it. Isn't that great? Now you can cut it out and you can use dies if you want. There are, on page 63, they have it shown here, making a border. You could use the borders. You can cut, here's one cut out with the hearts from, where is it? Can't even see where that one is from. Oh, it's probably from the annual catalog. But there is so much you can do with this, and I hope it continues because it would be great for Valentine's Day. I tell you, it is, to me, it is just something else. So I want to show you how to do this. Oh, I just wish you could, it's so much better up front. So what I did was I cut 3 strips of 4 inches, and then I cut 2 5 1/4, and I'm just, you got to figure out which side is the indented side because you don't want it to go the other way. So I'm putting it like that, then I'm getting my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And since this is just a regular one, I'm using 1 and 2 3s on it. And I am just going to, yeah, it's up all the way. Let's just run this through that. Sorry for that loud sound which snaps it closed. And you pop it off, and this is just beautiful. I'm going to make a card out of this, and so you'll see this again on probably there's a card Thursday. But it is just beautiful. You really have to see it up close and personal. So the first person to order this, order the red velvet paper pack from me starting today, the first person will get one of these cards so you can see it up close and personal, okay? So, oh, it's just beautiful. It is, you just got to get it. Remember, you can order from me. The information will be down below, and follow me on YouTube, please. I really appreciate it. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.